everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christy Lynn, and in today's video it's going to be another one in my Becoming Minimalist series. Yeah, are you ready? Evelyn is excited. This is baby Evelyn. She just woke up from a nap. She is such a sweetie pie, and she's joining us for this intro today. Anyways, I'm going to be working on downsizing my wardrobe. I'm working towards creating a capsule wardrobe. I'm not quite there yet, but today is just the first step in getting closer. What are you smiling at? So what I did was I started off by just pulling everything out of my closet and any drawers that I had clothing in, and I started by making 3 piles. I had a definitely keep pile, so a yes pile, a maybe pile, and a no pile. So in maybe I could think more about it, and then in the no pile I was either going to donate, or if it was just, you know, holes or anything worn out, we're just going to trash that. Isn't that right? So I just kind of used the Konmari Method, which is when you go through your clothing, or any item for that matter, you think about if this item brings you joy, if it sparks joy, if there's any negative emotions attached to it, that sort of thing, then you can just get rid of it. But if it still sparks joy and it's something you love, in this case something you love to wear, then keep it. So that is what I did. So this is just one step in my journey in becoming a lot more minimalist. Minimalism can look different ways for different people. You know, if there's something you love collecting, if there's something you love, then definitely keep more of those things. But for me, just having so much clutter around the house is just causing me extra stress. Especially with this new little one here, I don't have as much time to keep up with cleaning, and it's just really getting out of hand. And if you're like me, clutter equals stress. So I'm finding the best way to help myself keep up with the cleaning is just have less to take care of, less to clean. And that is what I'm working on, and I'm just gonna start small with one little section of the house, maybe even yes, that's right. Maybe even just a closet at a time. Just, you don't need to go crazy. So although I want to just put everything in a box and just start over, like literally just take everything, all my belongings, put it in my box, start fresh, that's one way to do it. Maybe I will do that. But for right now, I'm taking it one small section at a time. And until I get to that point maybe where I just can't take it anymore and we're just gonna start fresh. I ended up with a pretty large no pile, so that went straight to donations. And then as you can see, as in the end result, the closet is a bit less full. There's a lot more space in between everything. And then the drawers are the same, so there's a lot more space. Evelyn has a lot to say on this topic too. We're going to be working on your wardrobe next, aren't we? It's time for you to create your own little capsule wardrobe. Look at that little face. You excited? Are you excited? Maybe that'll be the next video. Leave me a comment below. Let me see what area of the house you'd like me to tackle next. And if you're enjoying this Becoming Minimalist series, definitely be sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to keep them coming. And I better go because she is ready to get down and play. But I hope that you all are having a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!